Monzo versus Starling versus Revolut, which account is best for you? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will compare 3 of the leading mobile banking apps, which is Monzo, Starling, and Revolut. And to sign up on any of these platforms, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. So basically, we will thoroughly compare Monzo, Starling, and Revolut in terms of their features, benefits, drawbacks, pricing, structures, and other factors that may impact your decision. But before that, if you don't know Monzo, it is a UK-based digital bank that has gained significant popularity for its innovative approach to the banking and customer-centric features. While on the other hand, Starling Bank is another UK-based digital bank that offers a range of banking services through its mobile app and online platform. Similar to Monzo, Starling Bank provides current accounts, savings account, and debit cards to its customers. While Revolut is also a UK-based financial technology company that offers a range of digital banking services through its mobile app and online platform, in which Revolut provides various financial services including current accounts, currency exchange, international money transfers, and cryptocurrency trading and investment options. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Monzo, Starling, and Revolut. So let's start by knowing the fees comparison of Monzo, Starling, and Revolut. And as you can see on this table in terms of monthly fee, both platforms has no monthly fee. While in terms of ATM withdrawals, Monzo is free in UK which has limits apply, same as Starling which is also free in UK and abroad but limits apply, while Revolut also free in UK and abroad with limits apply as well. Now in terms of foreign currency fee, Monzo offers 3% while Starling does not offer foreign currency fee, while Revolut offers free up to £1,000 per month. And now in terms of card replacement, Monzo offers £5 while Starling offers free, while Revolut also offer £5 or €6. And aside from that, in terms of overdraft, Monzo offer 19%, 29%, or 39% EAR depending on the eligibility, while Starling offers 15%, 25%, and 35% EAR depending on the eligibility as well, while Revolut on the other hand has no overdraft feature. Now in terms of international transfer fee, Monzo offers £0.5 to £3 depending on destination, while Starling offer for free, same as Revolut with free, with some exemptions. And now in terms of additional features, Monzo offers budgeting tools, savings, and pots, while Starling offers budgeting tools, saving goals. On the other hand, Revolut offers cryptocurrency trading and vaults. Now moving on to its features comparison, in terms of account types, Monzo offers personal, joint, business, same as Starling, while Revolut offers personal, business, junior, group, and freelancer. Now in terms of mobile app, Monzo is highly intuitive with detailed spending insights, while Revolut offers feature-rich app with cryptocurrency integration. On the other hand, in terms of overdraft, Monzo is available with varying interest rates, while Starling is available with varying interest rates as well, while Revolut does not offer or available overdraft except for business accounts. And now aside from that, in terms of savings feature, Monzo has savings pots with interest options, while Starling also has savings goals feature with interest options, while Revolut has vaults for saving and interest on savings balance. And now in terms of budgeting tools, Monzo has detailed spending breakdowns and categorization, while Starling has a real-time spending, notifications, and analytics. On the other hand, Revolut has budgeting tools and analytics as well. Now in terms of foreign currency spending, Monzo offers 3% fee on foreign transactions, while Starling offers fee-free spending abroad, while Revolut offers fee-free spending abroad but up to certain limits. While in terms of additional features, Monzo has integration with third-party services roundups, while Starling has a marketplace for financial products and services. On the other hand, Revolut has crypto trading, vaults, junior, and group accounts. Now moving on to the security comparison of both platforms, in terms of biometric authentication, both platform Monzo, Starling, and Revolut supported fingerprint and Face ID. And now in terms of two-factor authentication, Monzo supported SMS, app-based, while Starling just supported app-based, same as Revolut. And now in terms of in-app security features, Monzo has PIN protection for the application, while Starling also has PIN protection for the application as well as Revolut. And aside from that, in terms of transaction notifications, Monzo has real-time alerts for transaction while Starling offers real-time alerts for transactions as well, same as Revolut. And in terms of data encryption, Monzo offers end-to-end encryption for data, while Starling encrypted data transmission, while Revolut secure data encryption. And in terms of fraud protection security feature, Monzo offers 24/7 monitoring for suspicious activity, while Starling has fraud detection and prevention. On the other hand, Revolut has 24/7 monitoring for fraudulent activity. Now moving on to pros and cons of using both platforms, starting to its pros, Monzo has intuitive app with detailed spending insights, overdraft facilities that are available, budgeting tools for better financial management. On the other hand, Starling offers a sleek interface with extensive budgeting tools. It also offers fee-free spending abroad and marketplace for financial products and services, while Revolut offers feature-rich app with cryptocurrency integration and wide range of account types and features, with a junior and group accounts for family management. However, the cons of using both platforms, starting to Monzo, it has foreign currency transaction incurs fees, and it has limited ATM withdrawal free allowances, and not as feature-rich as Revolut, while Starling has a limited ATM withdrawal fee-free allowances and no cryptocurrency trading, while Revolut has limited customer support compared to peers and some features restricted to premium plans, and it also has foreign currency spending limits. But the question is, who should choose Monzo? Well, Monzo is an option for people who value to use mobile banking features and helpful budgeting tools, in which the app users design and in-depth spending analysis make it attractive to those looking for money management. Furthermore, Monzo offers options for users needing credit access. Its supportive community and customer service also make it appealing to those who appreciate help and sense of connection in their banking experience. But what about Starling? Who should choose Starling? Well, Starling is a choice for people who want to avoid fees while using their money overseas and enjoy a user-friendly mobile banking app, and those interested in budgeting features and instant spending alerts will especially like what Starling has to offer. Furthermore, Starling's platform for services and products add convenience for users who want easy access to different financial options all in one place. So if you appreciate straightforwardness, clarity, and focus on banking functions, Starling is definitely worth considering. But what about Revolut? Who should choose Revolut? Well, Revolut is an option for people who value adaptability and cutting-edge financial services. It caters to travelers and users across the globe with its no-fee spending in countries and wide array of supported currencies. Moreover, Revolut inclusions of cryptocurrency trading and the ability to purchase, sell, and retain currency, making it appealing to those intrigued by assets. For those in search of banking experience, offering features like youth and group accounts, as well as savings vaults. With interest, Revolut provides a comprehensive solution. Yet users should note that certain advanced features may require premium plan and customer support choices might be limited compared to banks. And now in conclusion, or in summary, when it comes to choosing between Monzo, Starling, and Revolut, the decision ultimately comes down to preferences, financial behaviors, and priorities. Monzo is known for its user app interface, helpful budgeting tools, and strong community engagement, making it a great choice for those who prioritize money management and responsive customer support, while Starling appeals to users looking for no-fee spending while traveling abroad, a modern design, and comprehensive budgeting features that offer simplicity and transparency in banking. On the other hand, Revolut caters to individuals who value flexibility, innovation, and access to financial services like cryptocurrency trading, making it a versatile option for international users and those interested in digital assets. So each bank has its offering tailored to different needs and preferences. So that is just a comparison review between Monzo, Starling, and Revolut. Thank you.